Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you step by step how to connect Shopify with Amazon. I'm also going to be sharing tons of pro tips and best practices so that I can help you get approved for Amazon Associates fast so that you can start earning. Look at the perfect Amazon integration application for your e-commerce model, and this will enable you to seamlessly import Amazon products into your branded Shopify store and analyze your performance data to refine your importing approach. So by the end of this video, you will be equipped to maximize earnings by intersecting these powerful platforms. And finally, I'm going to talk to you about a free resource that I've prepared for you. It is basically a free ebook that we've created for you to help you get started with your e-commerce journey. You're going to find it in our description down below, so be sure to stick around for that. And without much further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for the first step, if you haven't already signed up for a Shopify account, so I recommend starting with the best current Shopify plan. It is a temporary offer that offers you $1 per month on any of the Shopify plans for 3 whole months. Now again guys, it is a temporary offer, so be sure to grab it. You will find a link in our description in this video. You will have to sign up with your Shopify account, follow these simple steps in order to create and finalize your account, and then you will be taken to your Shopify dashboard. And now we're going to start by covering the foundation for this entire model, which is the Amazon Associates program. Amazon Associates program allows you to earn affiliate commissions by directing traffic to Amazon products through your own special tracking links. It's completely free to join and very easy to get approved in. Simply visit affiliates by typing into Google Amazon Associates program and then clicking on the first link. And from here you can use your own Amazon account or create a new one so that you can sign up for the Amazon Associates program. They will ask you to provide identity details like name, address, and all of that, and it is required for tax purposes due to payments that you will be receiving. Amazon from there will review your application and approve you as long as you meet the program policies and guidelines. Once you're approved, you gain access to your Associates reporting dashboard and you can create product links to start promoting them anywhere. Whenever somebody makes a qualifying purchase after clicking your Amazon affiliate link, you earn a commission based on product category ranging from 4 to 20% typically. So some of the details that I can give you on the commission structure is that electronics and luxury items tend to pay higher rates, and that you earn commissions on purchases within 24 hours of a user clicking your own link. Amazon credits commission payments around 60 days after each month ends, and to remain active, you need to generate advertising material clicks regularly. So beyond placing links online, you can also directly import Amazon items into your Shopify store using applications, which we'll be getting into next. So with our Amazon Associates account ready, let's discuss how to actually connect Shopify and Amazon. And for that, there are tons of integration applications that exist. So how do you exactly choose one? There are some key selection criteria which include the features, e-commerce model, dropshipping versus retail versus private label, find an application matching your own strategy. We also have to see the monthly pricing, transaction fees, and scaling costs for the long term. And finally, the ratings and reviews, feedback from actual users on quality and support. So based on the above, my top picks would be Amazon Importer and Spreader. It's simple, cost-effective importer good for beginners. There is the Ecom Dash, which is advanced automation features, including repricing. There are plenty of other apps, so take time reviewing options before installing. Switching apps can be tedious, so choose carefully up front. Once you've selected an integration application, it's time to install it and connect the accounts. However, for the Spreader application that I recommended, you can find it in the Shopify App Store. Click Add and choose your billing plan. The starter plan is just $5 per month. So once you've added it, approve the installation, you'll automatically be redirected to the Spreader dashboard. And then from there, you can take a minute to tour the different pages. The homepage presents an overview of your stats. The settings one includes a configuration options. Tools has your product importing tools, and the reports is for sales and traffic analytics. So under your settings, connect your Amazon Associates ID. You can copy this from your Associates account. And this crucially links your Shopify store to your Amazon affiliate account. So any purchases made via your Shopify account store credit commission too. Without entering your ID, you won't earn the Amazon affiliate commissions. It's easy to overlook this step. After that, you simply have to import some sample products so that you can list them on your Shopify store. And to do that, you just want to browse Amazon and find an item to import, copy the full product URL, and then into the Spreader, click Add Product, then paste the URL and click Import. Wait a moment for it to sync. And just like that, you will have the Amazon product imported into your Shopify products catalog, ready to be customized and sold. By default, the Spreader imports products as draft status. Once finalized, switch them to active so that they can go live on your store and people can view and purchase them. Definitely take the time to customize the product title, description, images, and any other details for your brand. Leverage Amazon's catalog but differentiate your listings. And of course, you want to double check pricing is as desired. Spreader dynamically syncs Amazon's price, but you can configure markup rules if you want to earn a margin. And that covers the basics of importing and listing Amazon products using the spreader. And that will be all for today's video. However, before moving forward, if you want a free ebook that I created to help you get started with Shopify faster, then definitely be sure to grab it using the link in the video description. This ebook gives you a full beginners and even advanced guide to setting up your store, saving time, avoiding mistakes, and boost your sales. So go ahead, check it out and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about it, or if you have any other questions. And of course, if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one. We have a ton of Shopify content ready to be released to you, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you once again for watching and see you guys in the next one.